Nigeria street puff puff recipe. Fluffy inside and golden outside. Guys, stop making puff puff that turns to bread. Seriously, let me show you the real method of like the ones you buy on the street. You know those ones you see on Lagos streets. Golden outside, airy inside, and very. First, we use flour. In this video, I use about 4 cups of flour. I got yeast, then sugar. For this recipe, I didn't use milk, salt, cinnamon powder, then I added water. Then you have another water. You have to give it a very good mix. Guys, please, if you are still on, please subscribe to my channel. Please drop a comment. Like, it's very important for this channel. You dropping a comment will make the video go a long way. Please like my video. Please share my video with your friends. Now I have to add extra water. Keep stirring. For this puff puff, I didn't use nutmeg because I could not find nutmeg. So instead of using nutmeg, I use cinnamon powder. So I just use flour, sugar, yeast, salt, and warm water. Just very simple recipe. Then I covered for about 60 minutes. Now our dough is ready. So you just have to give it a very good mix again. If your batter is too thick, your puff puff will be very heavy. It will just look like buns. Yeah. Now make sure your oil is on medium heat. Not too hot. You can use your hand or spoon, whichever you pick. Puff puff becomes fluffy when it's cooked slowly. So the heat should not be too hot. Just fry on a medium heat. Because if the oil is too hot, the outside will brown quickly, but the inside will still be raw. So you just have to keep the oil on medium heat. Guys, please, if you are still on, please subscribe to my channel. Please like, please drop a comment. Let me know the next recipe you want me to upload on my channel. Thank you, guys. And for your batter, make sure you cover it for at least 45 minutes. You don't have to wait for 60 minutes. You can just keep shaking, but it should be between 45 minutes and 1 hour. Before you start frying, you can also just drop a tiny bit of batter. It should rise slowly, not burn immediately. You can use that to test if the oil is actually good before you start adding the other batter. Look at how golden and beautiful this puff puff is. Soft, airy, and not oily at all. Just look, you can see that it's not airy, then it's not like buns, just like Nigeria street puff puff. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment puff puff so I know you watched the end. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.